What's up, guys? We're back. We got a great video today, guys. I'm extra excited because I'm in a trade right now, and it is taking place right before your eyes, guys. I got in at the white line. This is Stellar Lumens. I told y'all about it earlier. I put a quick post. I told you it looks like it is ready to blast off, and I'm hoping it does, guys. I'm hoping it does because I like what I'm seeing. Anyways, y'all, my energy feeling great today. Feeling focused today. I have so much to bring to y'all today, guys. I'm excited. I hope y'all are excited. I hope y'all been having a great day. I hope y'all been having great investments. I hope y'all been having great creative thoughts flood into your brain, all that good stuff, guys. I'm gonna give you more today too. So let's get into it. But before we get into it, you know the drill. You know what I gotta do. I have to tell you guys, I am not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, and it's for entertainment purposes only. But now that we've done that, we can talk about this trade I'm in, guys, and look what's happening. We're just on the move, guys. I want to see that volume pick up, all right? I want to see that volume pick up. Again, let's get into it real quick. Stellar Lumens, XLM, XRP's baby sister, guys. 1 hour time frame, all right? I'm in at 49,897, all right? My stop loss right down here, 47,279, guys. Why? Because that's where the trade will be invalidated for me, all right? I'm playing off this little structure right here, okay? Where am I exiting? The top, guys. The top. I may shed some right here at 54 cents. We gotta see what it's looking like as we approach. But I really think we can get to that 54.9, even 55, and I'll start taking profits, guys. I'll take profits anywhere between here and here. I just gotta see how we come into it. That's the thing. You want the plan, how you're gonna take your profits. You gotta know this kind of stuff, guys. All right, you gotta know where you want to get in, where you want to get out. I actually didn't even get in where I really want to get in, guys. I should have got in right here, guys. Right here, like this red hammer, and then the start of this first move. I actually watched this move, guys. Oh, it hurt. It hurt so bad. And the reason I missed the trade was because I got logged out of my Bitrex app, guys. Okay, I'm trading it on Bitrex right now. I got logged out randomly, okay? And then I couldn't remember the password. I tried and tried and tried and tried and tried and tried and tried, and I could not get in, guys. And that drove me crazy, all right? And it turns out it was Bitrex makes you have two symbols. And I mean, why, guys? Why you have to have two special characters? I can't believe it. Anyways, we're in. The trade got executed. I'm a little late to the party, so I did scale down on my size. I would have played more if I got in down here. Why? Because my risk to reward would have been much better. Look at that. Look how it changes. Look where my profits, that's an extra 2% profit I missed out on. And on top of that, before I was carrying a 5% risk, if I'm still willing to carry a 5% risk, look where I get to put my stop now. This is ideally where I'd want it. There's my 5%, guys. Look at that. Below the 200. See, it sucks to put your stop close to the 2 because it could bounce here for support and take off, and then you take that loss for no reason. That's again because I'm not exactly where I wanted to be. I just put less money in because to me, I'm pretty sure we're going up, and this candle's looking like it's ready to confirm. Volume's starting to increase here. I'd love to get over that average. I'd love to. That'll really boost my confidence. And we're gonna zoom down in a second. Okay? But yeah, guys, you gotta know how you want to get in and out. That's very key to becoming successful at this. All right. Now, what's one reason well, there's many reasons, but what's one reason that really got me excited? I'm gonna show you. We got a low and we got a higher low. And now look inside this little structure right in here, guys. Let me help y'all out here. Rectangle. Focus right in there, okay? Focus right in there. We'll make it green, all right? Because it's bullish for me. Perfect. Look what's going on here. First off, guys, we got the low, the higher low. And now inside this structure, low, higher low, higher low. And I love the range, especially here. I love the range. And now we're getting more big green candles than red candles, guys. We got our first resistance here. Let me get rid of this box. Okay, I don't think we need this anymore. We got this first little resistance we're dealing with. We need to blast through. That's why we want to see this volume increase, guys. I think the trade's going to be successful because of the risk to reward ratio, especially when it really started revealing itself, which was right in here, you know? I mean, yeah, here it's a little tricky. I think once you got the wicks though, is a good read, you know? I mean, boom, boom, boom. I mean, watch the line, guys. Watch the trend line. Look, boom. I mean, so many touches. And I didn't even draw it that precise, but look at that. I mean, almost got that touch right there too. So, I mean, it's doing its job. You're getting a nice bounce. Now we just need the volume to come in with it. You see, we have a few supports here. We got the low, the higher low, the higher low, the higher low. Even inside the smaller unit, inside the smaller structure, it's following it low, higher, higher, you know? So, if we get through this level right here, what is this? The 50.5 cents, which we're at 50.4. We get through this, you know, especially with an increase in volume, we're going to challenge the top of this structure. We're going to challenge the top. And if it's really bullish, guys, if it comes in with volume, I'm talking volume, guys, like this kind of volume, man, it's going to be great, guys. But I mean, we might go set a higher high. There's your low, there's your high. There's your higher low. This piece here, easily go set a higher high. I mean, it's there, guys, especially on a project like Stellar Lumens, all right? XLM is big, guys. Y'all know how I feel about Stellar. I love Stellar, guys. It's my second biggest position, right behind the king, XRP. Y'all know how I feel about Stellar, guys, all right? I love Stellar. And that's why I really like this trade, because even if I'm wrong, I don't have to realize the loss. I'll just hold it. I'm playing with a small position anyways. I didn't get the price I wanted. That's why I had to, adjust. Things need to fit my criteria because the goal is to come out with money. If you are going to lose, it's minimizing the loss. A lot of people don't know how to play with their size, you know? They don't have any discipline in their decision making. They're just thinking, if I put the most money possible, I can make the most money. It doesn't really work like that when you're trying to be successful in this industry, guys. All right? It really doesn't work. Anyways, though, Stellar Lumens, it's a project. I really love trading projects that I also like to invest in. I love that because then if crazy, crazy shit happens, at least it's something I have no problem holding for the long term. You know? I mean, obviously, I prefer to cut my losses short, but if crazy, crazy shit happens, I really don't have crazy, crazy shit happen anymore, guys. My discipline, my risk management, it's on another level. So I don't really have crazy shit happen like that to me anymore. But if it ever did, I wouldn't mind it. Like, if with XRP, I wouldn't mind it, It would suck, but I wouldn't mind because I'm never selling XRP. I know one day I'll get it back. It's just now, for now, I have to do without it. All right. Anyways, guys, I feel the same way about Stellar. I love Stellar. It's a great project. Okay. I mean, big partnerships, guys. They got the contract with the Ukrainian government to build their CBDC. Come on, guys. I remember that day. Stellar was just flying, flying. We were talking about Stellar between 4 and 7 cents. Y'all who've been rocking with me since day one, since the early days, guys. I mean, we talked about Stellar a long time ago. That's how far ahead of everyone we are. We were getting in at 4 to 7 cents. We're at 50.4 cents right now, guys. 50.4. Come on. Come on. And I mean, not that long ago, we were up here at 57. And not that long ago, we were up there in the 60s, guys. All right. Stellar still has a long way to go. It has not reached its all-time high yet, guys. Do not sleep on this. Do not sleep on this. Anyways, risk to reward, it's in the buyer's favor. It's in the bull's favor right now. Why would sellers want to take the short here? They'd have to put their stop all the way up here. Really, they'd have to put it all the way up here. They're carrying too much risk. We're carrying less risk. And because I know we're carrying less risk, I bring my stop closer. I don't have to play it all the way down here in case there is a quick dump. or whatever happens, or a dump or a breakdown. You know what I mean? So like the the fact that it's so lopsided, like I mean, if you're a bear right now, even from here, this isn't scary. This price, it's not like panic, panic. If anything, we're setting higher lows, guys. Everything's signaling like the buyers are about to take this. Everything. And if they do, the first real hurdle is up here. This, 50, what's the top? 54,916, almost 55 cents. That's the top. And if we take 55 cents out, guys, why would we not go try 60? That's the next round number, guys. That's like and it's the next resistance up here, 60, 60 and a half, somewhere in there. I'm so bullish on this trade, guys. So bullish. I can't. I mean, I can't. You guys should have seen me with this whole Bittrex situation. I was consumed, guys. Literally, I was like, man, I gotta get to my little desktop ASAP, guys. And here I am. And on top of, I'm running a little late on the video. I wanted to start this sooner, but I had to get in that trade and get set up, guys. And Bittrex is not that fun of an exchange, in my opinion, to trade on. At least not the mobile version. All right, at least not the mobile version. Um, it's just kind of weird. I wish I could just type in the USD that I want to trade with, but instead they make you decide how many stellars you want, for example. And then I have to wait for the price to reflect. It's kind of slow, guys. I don't like that. I don't think Bittrex will be my main platform to trade on. I'm actually looking for a main platform right now. I don't have one I'm that comfortable with yet. But it's okay. I'm experimenting right now. We're gonna find that one soon. I have a few others I want to, play around with. But anyways, guys, let's not get too much into that. Okay, right now what we need to break this level. If it breaks during this video, great, we'll come back to it. For now though, I don't want, drag this out to like 45 minutes or nothing. So let's go through some others real quick. XRP, baby. Come on, guys. That's that's pretty nice too. That's pretty nice too. I like that. I do want to see the volume increase. I really do want to see the volume increase, guys. It's important to see performance here. And I'm just so bullish on XRP. $1.09. Let's go, baby. Let's go. You can see the volume starting to increase, and we're trying to clear these wicks here, which means we're going to challenge the top. If we challenge the top and we do it with some power, with some confidence, it could be great. Let's see what's happening on a 4 hour. 4 hour, see, doesn't look as good on a 4 hour. So, I mean, that wick right there shows a lot of selling pressure. And then to get these big green candles, it's interesting, guys. I wouldn't be ready to enter a trade right now. I don't have enough information, and plus I don't buy tops. So, I mean, if anything, if it clearly broke out with a blast of volume, you probably smash a market order and buy into the power or wait for the pullback. It just depends on the way you read, your comfort level, the way you're willing to risk, your style, your personality type. If you don't know your personality type, you're not ready to trade, guys. Okay? You have to know if you're conservative. You have to know if you're aggressive. You have to know if you're hyper aggressive. That's going to dictate the types of trades you're going to be successful with. What's your risk tolerance? Can you handle risking a lot? Can you not handle risking a lot? Because that's going to determine what kind of trade setups you take as well. For me, I don't want to buy it here just because there's not a. I don't like the. It's tough because I love XRP, guys. I'm not telling you this as an investor right now. I'm telling you this as a trader, okay? I personally wouldn't buy it because the risk to reward ratio, it's kind of more for the bears right now, in my opinion. Unless this is ready. It's just the volume, guys. The volume is low, and XRP is due for another move up. It's tough, guys. XRP's it's tough, guys. I'm not trading it right now. I either buy the breakout if I got a bunch of confirmation and strength. But yeah, because I don't want to put my stop way down here. Look, this is really my dilemma, guys, on this trade. It's not that I'm not bullish on it. Whoa, 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 whoa. We don't need that. What's going on? 1 second, guys. Sorry about that. Oh yeah. Sorry. There we go. Long position. If you're entering right there, your stop, I mean, you could put it right here, but that's not like, to me, that's not where I want my stop. This is on the 4 hour chart. So that changes things. But on the structure, this isn't the place to have the stop. The real stop for this play that's showing itself is down here. You'd be invalidated down here. But here's the thing, really that wick holds it. So if you really want to respect it, the stop would be here. That's why I don't want to buy, guys. That's why I don't want to buy. It's just a lot of risk. Even if you go to $1.50, this is at $1.22. Let me take it up to $1.50 where the next resistance is, guys. $1.50. See, it's a 1 to 3. You know, as an investor, I think it's gonna go up. As a trader, I can't tell you right now, guys. All right, I can just tell you I don't like the odds. That's just not my style. You know, anything can happen here. So, stellar lumens, do you see the difference between the two? Do you see why I'm looking at them differently? You know, XRP, I'm not trading XRP right now because it's not giving me the setup. This is the kind of setup I like. I love the range with the gradual higher lows. I love that. A clear target, guys. I love that, and then in a bigger structure, the low and the higher low setup. Here's our high. We're anticipating a higher high now. A higher high, we're either going to have to come up here and fail. That's how you get your double top. You fail up here on the second and 10, or we're going to blast through. That's why we want to see how we play when we get there. I don't think the Bears are ready to just slap it down from here. Unless some scary news came out, I don't see why that would happen from here. Because this wasn't that scary. This was actually a very healthy pullback for this entire structure. I mean, real quick, guys, let's use our fib retracement. Let's just see how it lined up. I haven't done a fib retracement on this, so we're going to see together if it hits the lines. I like to go right to the buy. Look at that, guys. Come on. 618, 618, 618. The golden pocket, baby. The golden pocket with the 50 moving average, guys. Oh my God. Healthy pullback. Healthy pullback, guys. This thing is gonna pop, guys. This thing is gonna pop. I can't wait. Ooh, I'm feeling good, guys. I'm glad we did this video today. But do you see the difference? XRP doesn't give me that right now. It gives it to the sellers. Because look at the clear target for the sellers. It's down here. I know, again, this is a high time frame. But that's what I'm saying. Like, it's just trickier. It's in a different game. Okay? It's in a different game. They have that legal battle and everything, too. XRP, in my opinion, is not a trader's game right now. It's an investor's game. All right? You got to know where to play, guys. I just right now, I mean, there's times where it isn't a trader's game, but right now I don't know, guys, because there's so much going on with it. There's so much. But anyways, guys, stellar lumens, I'm even more confident, guys. I mean, think about the traders who depend on moving average, they're getting buy signals. All right, your support resistance, your horizontal support resistance traders, guys. Okay? They're seeing this as, we'll make it orange, cool. But yeah, resistance, we break through resistance, come back for the retest to see is it resistance still or support, and it held as support and is taking off, and now has a clear target and a risk to reward ratio in favor of the buyers with the trend line, guys, with the fib retracement, guys. I mean, come on, this is what I mean when I say confluence. Okay? Do you see why I was freaking out? Do you see why I was willing to type my password in hundreds and hundreds of times? Y'all probably like, why didn't you just reset it? Because Bitrex is trash in this regard, guys. Why are they trash in this regard? If you forget your password on Bitrex, you reset it, you have to wait 24 hours. I don't got 24 hours, I'm already 2% late to the party, guys. All right? Who wants to be 2% late to the party? Not me. Anyway, so I'm getting more and more confident in this, guys. I really want to clear this, and I want to see that volume increase. So, anyways, a couple more things, guys. We're going to go over Bitcoin and Poly, because Bitcoin popped over 60K. So let's do Bitcoin real quick. Because you know what we've been saying about Bitcoin, right, guys? We've been saying that all-time high. We gotta clear it. And here's my logic, okay? I know this is super, like, whoa, it's explosive. But look, guys, even with this increase in volume, there's still selling pressure. And you're buying near the all-time high. All right? Big money moves the markets. Big money moves the markets. You guys listening to this, you're not big money, Okay? Me telling you this, I'm not big money. All right? None of us retail traders are big money. Institutions, banks, hedge funds, okay? This is the big money. They're too smart, guys. I don't see why they would put in big money to bring this price up at the all-time high with such a poor risk to reward ratio. Okay? I mean, it's at 60K. For them to double their money, if they put $1 billion in right now, okay? We'd have to get to 120K, really 100, almost 121K for them to just double their money. Now, I understand you're doubling $1 billion, but you know how much money has to flood in to drive the price? You probably need like another $1 trillion+ to flood in just to Bitcoin to bring the price that high for them to even realize that double gain on their billion. All right. It's just I'm not a believer, guys. I'm still not bullish, okay? A big green candles, volume, yeah, this and that, but look how it's interpreting itself, guys. I'm seeing this look like a double top. I think we're getting ready for a double top and boom. And when this thing dumps, boom. That's the only thing that makes me a little hesitant on Stellar. I'm hoping Stellar gets it done before Bitcoin runs out of gas. Or go ahead, push for an all-time high real quick before, you break down or whatever. Or even go set a brand new little one with, a wick at the top. I don't give a fuck. I'm just let Stellar run its play, Bitcoin. Don't mess this shit up. But I'm not bullish yet, guys. If y'all are absorbing the way I analyze these charts and are starting to adopt a lot of the same, like, methodology, philosophy, and all that, I think you guys feel the same way. And look at that, guys. There's a wick there. Now, if it continues to explode, we understand that's in the realm of possibility, but why would we get interested? So we can wait till we get to 120K to make 1x? It's not even worth it, guys. Go play in other like cryptos. Go play in other places. Like there's no need to play here. Even if it's taking over the news and exploding to new highs. The only way this is like beneficial to you, that like to where it's valuable to you, is if you got in early enough. All right? If you didn't get in early enough, you missed out on like the real money that you could make here. And not that many people got in early enough. All right? That's why I always preach to you guys, we gotta get in. We gotta get in. XRP, we preached it at 20 cents, 17 cents, guys. Alright? We've talked about potentials falling down to 10 cents and being ready to buy it if that happens, guys. We understand there's a possible path to see that kind of price one more time. I mean, it's highly unlikely, but there is a path there. There's always a path there. You know? But it's like that's what we're preaching. Get in early. Get in early. Stellar Lumens, it was 4 cents, 7 cents when we were talking about it. Hedera hash graph, we were saying around 2-3 cents. It got up to 46 cents or something, guys. Alright? This is where the real money's at. You gotta know how to get to the real money. Bitcoin's not the real money. It's the distraction for the dumb money to let the rich people who got in early enough dump it off before this whole thing crashes. Alright, I'm trying to tell you guys. Alright? Now, if I'm wrong and it doesn't crash and it's bullish and explodes to 80K, 100K, great, awesome. For all those people who are in, awesome. I got it wrong. I get trades wrong all the time, guys. It's part of the game, but when I'm wrong, I don't take massive losses. All right, I barely feel them. It's a tickle. It's a tickle. I giggle at it, guys. Oh, I took a loss. Oh no, I'm good. My next one's not going to be a loss. And even if it is, I'm good. I'm built to take losses. That's how I got here. All right, you know how many losses I took to be able to get to this point where you're hearing these words come from me, guys? I've took many, many, many losses, guys. And I love them because I get better after every loss. I swear, guys, I get better. I'm in a win-win situation in my universe, okay? I either win the trade and make money, or I lose the trade and get better at trading, and then I make more money later, all right? That's awesome. That is fucking awesome, guys, all right? So anyways, if Bitcoin goes up, great. I'm not in it. I don't give a fuck, all right? I want my stuff to perform. I'm focused on other areas. I have different goals, all right? I got different goals. We all got different goals. Anyways, guys, not too much time on Bitcoin right now. We'll follow up maybe tomorrow or something. We'll see how this plays out. I mean, let me know what you think. You guys think it's going up? You think it's gonna do a crazy, amazing thing here, or you think this thing's ready to come down pretty hard? Because if it fails to set that higher high, guys, I mean, people are gonna run out of confidence, and this thing could start to dump. And if it dumps, it's gonna have to set a new lower low, and that would be below here, which probably brings us down to 50K. and it could bounce up a little bit, set another lower high, and come down. And it could come down hard, real hard, because the rollover process could be over. It could be ready to dump, bring the price down to its real levels, where there's actually a favorable risk to reward to people, big money, who's getting involved. All right? Man, I'm giving y'all lots of game today, and I love it, guys. I'm a giver. Okay, I'm a giver. I don't like to hold back, all right? I'm trying to make y'all nasty, all right? You know how much time I could have saved in my life if I bypassed all the bullshit? I mean, I'm not mad at it. The bullshit actually helped, That's why you gotta look at it's how you look at things, guys. All right. So if you dealt with bullshit, it's fine because it's making me look like I know what I'm talking about to you guys. It's making everything I'm saying resonate differently. You're able to contrast it differently. You can tell what I'm saying is not bullshit because you know what bullshit is. Get it? All right. So, anyways, I could have saved a lot of time, guys, if somebody just showed me the right way to read, the right way to analyze. But I could have found it if I didn't go through all that bullshit, through all those bad teachers. And like on that journey, I found great teachers as well. So, and even right now, teaching you guys is teaching myself. So in a weird way, I'm the student and the teacher to myself, guys. I get better at trading every time I make these videos. Like for real, guys. I have to explain things. I'm literally talking the analysis out loud, not missing steps, guys. I think my accuracy is better when I make these videos. Anyways, though, let's get to our last here. I know this video is dragging out a little bit, guys. Here it is, Poly. I'm gonna say it. Like, here we go. Great example. I personally thought Poly would give out right here. I was like, man, we got the zone and the 200 moving average, and it said, nope, sorry, which is great. That means I want to clear this up, but I'll wait till we're done here, okay? I'll wait till we're done here. Let me put a horizontal line. I'm gonna make it thicker too. All right, 1 second. I gotta make it a different color. What's a good color, guys? It can't be orange or yellow. Can we do like purple? That's cool. You guys get what I'm saying. That purple line, that's our real support level, guys. Okay? This was a probe, came back up. If you look at this on a higher time frame, this is gonna look like a wick probably. Let's see here. Can we see? I'm gonna circle it. Hold on 1 second. Where's my paintbrush? We'll circle it. This should look like a wick. So I don't have like perfectly timed out. I'm a little lazy. See though, there's some wicks forming. Let's see what it looks like on a 12-hour. See that? There's the wicks. Let's see what it looks like on the daily. Look at that. There's the wick I circled, guys. All right. So this was a probe. It was a fake break of the level. All right. We're looking at Poly, and now it's going to go test. It's going to go test 62 cents to 66 cents. All right, guys. Now we have now we got a read on it. Since we have a better read on it, guys, how is this bounce from these supports? If it's the probe, and we hold strong, this is going to be great. We're going to go up. We got to go up strong. But if this is it running out of steam, this thing could be coming down. And that's why this is a very important candle. I think we're going to learn a lot about Poly over the next 16 hours and 44 minutes. Right now, we got a doji. It's showing indecision, okay? But again, let's go back to our 4-hour. On the 4-hour, it's looking like it's more of a probe. Because, look at that, guys. We see the volume increase. We broke the level. We're above the moving averages. We're about to get the cross. We got a nice, even though this is kind of a neutral candle, it's more bullish in my opinion. There's a lot of buying volume, and it held above the level. Let me zoom in for you real quick. Look at that. The body made sure to stay above. And then we got wick, and wick. I love that. The wicks on the downside are bigger, okay? Now, again, this candle is very important. We see volume falling off. So this candle is very important. But if this holds and it stays bullish, I don't see why we don't go test 62 cents. That's the real target right there. Right there, between there and there, really. And it looks like it could do it. It looks like it could do it. I told you I'm pretty bullish on this project. So let's real quick look at that stellar lumens. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. And look at XRP, $1.10, $1.10, baby. Come on, let's go. Let's go. I'm really excited for this. I can't wait to follow up on this trade, guys, with y'all. It's gonna be fun. I hope y'all got in. Well, man, see, and this is why it's tough, guys. Like by the time y'all see this video, it might be too late to get in. I could be done with the trade by the time y'all see this video. Who knows how crazy it's about to get? Anyways, we'll figure it out, guys. Okay? Maybe I'll start a Telegram service and y'all can subscribe and try to get in. I don't really like to give, you know, tells like that and whatnot. I really want to teach y'all the skills, but we'll see. Maybe one day in the future. Nothing right now, guys. Okay, we got a lot to do right now. And oh, look at that. 59, 50.9. Come on. Come on. We got 42 minutes left on this 4-hour candle too. So this is going to be important. We're gonna just zoom down a little bit. 1-hour charts looking pretty good. I want that volume to increase. We still got 40 minutes, but it looks like we have passed the wick over here. We did pass the wick. Now it's how do we perform? All right, volume a little low, guys, but I think the setup's great. I think the setup is great, and this thing can really do something here. Well, anyways, though, I hope y'all learned a lot, guys. You know, this was a great video. I had a lot of fun today. I think this was my funnest video doing today, guys. You know, I mean, I'm just feeling so good, guys. I love seeing trade steps. I love getting involved. I love showing the trades, you know, like that's something that I really love. Like, I think that those are the best ones because you can kind of see things in real time. That, for me, that would be like so helpful. Like, that was something that helped me a lot was watching some of my favorite traders trade live, you know, gives you a better read. But you know, it's like because you're just it's so different than watching a video and somebody explaining a trade to you after it's already established. Because of course you can see what happened. Now you can explain it the way you want. It's different when you see it before it happens, you know, or going into it. You know what I mean? Like y'all saw, I entered the trade, guys. Okay, this is a 1-hour chart, so I got in right here at that white line. You know, not the best risk to reward ratio, you know, but the best risk to reward ratio, you know, like it's still favorable. You know, I wish I got that extra 2%, guys. I feel so much more comfortable. But again, that's why we played with a smaller position to make up for that lack of comfort. You only want to put big money in when you have more comfort, okay? That's the signal to you like, hey, oh, I got everything I want here. Let's put more money in. Odds are way more in my favor right now. That's only what makes sense, guys, okay? Don't put big money in every single time. All right, that right there will change the results of your portfolio. All right, guys. Anyway, so I hope y'all had a good time. I hope y'all absorbed a lot of good energy, guys. I'm pushing all this love and light out to y'all. I'm telling you, I had a beautiful day today. Just a beautiful day. I mean, we're at 51 cents, guys. Do you see how the positive energy works, guys? I can't wait to teach y'all trading psychology, guys. I think I have the best trading psychology on planet Earth. Like for real, guys. Where I'm at, I'm telling you guys, it's not something you're gonna find in a book. I'd probably be the first person to write a book like this about trading psychology, just psychology in general. I mean, I'm telling you, it's that serious, guys. It's that real. It's what changed everything for me. You know, it took me a long time to develop it. It started before I even was trading. All right, that's how far back it goes, guys. Anyways, though. Enjoy this video, y'all. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. If not tomorrow, the next day. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be tomorrow because look at this, guys. We're just pushing. You know what? Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on. We're just pushing right now. You see how we cleared the level? We're trying to see his confidence coming in. I want to get a quick zoom, guys. 15-minute volume is increasing. So, do you see what I'm saying? Now traders are starting to jump in as well. We're clearing it pretty nice, guys. I mean, we got 8 minutes left on this candle and the volume's still above average. This is looking good. Look at XRP, baby. $12. $12. This is why I don't trade, guys. I just invest because I'm winning either way on XRP. If it dumps, I'm cheering, guys. Do you hear the ring? Come on, guys. Y'all saw it last video. Do you hear the ring? Come on, guys. This is amazing. This is amazing. Let's go, XRP. Enjoy your moment right now, XRP. I'm enjoying your moment. Look at that volume increase. It's a win-win situation when you're an XRP investor. If it dumps, you get more at a cheaper price. Awesome. If it goes up, you're balling. Balling. Look at that. We about to be at $1.13 in no time. Come on. This is beautiful, guys. Stellar lumens. And look at them. Big brother and baby sister performing at the same time. At the same time. Oh, there's Bitcoin. Bitcoin's over 60. Fuck Bitcoin. I'm just saying, guys. That's my opinion. You know, sometimes I get a little like too passionate with it, guys. If you have Bitcoin, good for you. Awesome. I'm just not trying to own that. Anyways, though, we'll end it at that, guys. All right. 51 cents. It's awesome. We'll follow up tomorrow. I love you guys. Take care. Have a great day. Have a great weekend, guys.